Hey everybody, my name is Michelle Dyer, and are you ready? So there's a lot going on with COVID-19 right now, and if you are not in the place where you are thinking about income and what you can do to create more, I just want to stop you here and say, go take care of yourself, do the self-care. When you are ready to think about other streams of income, then come back to me. So when I'm saying, are you ready? Are you in the right headspace to go there right now? So are you ready to find out if an online course is right for you? I mean, who here can relate? We have to spend money to prep and audition to get a job, but at the same time, a traditional job's hours are at the same time as auditions. So what do? How would you like to create a product that someone can purchase anytime, anywhere? You know you need multiple streams of income. Theater is not going to pay all of your bills, and it shouldn't have to. Welcome to an online course. Yay. Okay, here's a case study. So, finances for actors. I was frustrated that no one teaches you the basics of finances. Like, why don't we learn about budgeting and paying ourselves first? So, I created a course called Finances for Actors. Here's the thing. It wasn't fancy. I made PowerPoint slides. I recorded a screen flow via QuickTime, and I uploaded it to Kajabi. That's it. But it sounds great, but how do I do that, you're saying? I got ya. So hi, I'm Michelle. Here's my story. I remember sitting on the floor of the AEA building. This is before it renovated. I had just gotten back into town from a gig, and I did not want to leave town again. I was asking around for temp agency recommendations. So someone got out their temp agent's business card and they started passing it around from friend to friend. And I thought there has got to be a better way. So I went home, Googled around, and I couldn't find a resource. So I created one. Survival Jobs for Actors was born. Now, it's gone through many incarnations. First, I tried an informational site. Then I tried a job board. I wrote an ebook. More about that later. Then life happened. So 2010 to now, here's what I've been up to. Got married, moved to the suburbs, and I popped out a few kids. And I also left the business. But in 2017, I began thinking about it's more than just survival jobs. It's about financial stability as a whole. So that's why I created Finances for Actors. And I literally just created this Kajabi course. Now I want to show you, here's how you do it. So there are different levels that you can do this at. So the first level is creating an ebook. Now you can self-publish an ebook and or a paperback on Amazon with a Microsoft Word document. Yeah, it's that easy. Then next, you can create an online course. Your ebook is an entry point. You use it as a lead magnet to provide value and establish yourself as an expert. Then an online course is a great way for you to walk them through and get more in depth into whatever you're teaching. Then the next level is offer one-on-one training. So with time being your most valuable commodity, if someone wants accountability or if they want to have access to you to ask questions, you can offer one-on-one coaching. Like I said, let's talk more about the ebook. So literally, you write out your text in Microsoft Word. You can sign up for Amazon KDP, which is Kindle Direct Publishing. Format your document. They just have some formatting with tabs and different things. Create a cover. I'll show you how to do it. Super easy. Upload it and publish. Literally, that's it. Here's one of my books. How to Get Your Child into Pageants. Now, does this pay my rent? No. But I don't use it as a lead magnet for other products. I did the work once and I don't actively promote it. So, but am I happy when I get a deposit from Amazon in my account? Yes. Guys, I literally did the work once. I made a Facebook group and did a couple things to promote it, and then that's it. It's set it and forget it. And once every couple months, I will get enough money in my account for a Starbucks, so I'll take it. I'll say it again. You need multiple streams of income. You don't need to create your $1 million idea tomorrow. Just start playing around with a few ideas and see what hits. I created this Survival Jobs for Actors book, and then I created this How to Get Your Child into Pageants book. And the How to Get Your Child into Pageants book was selling better than my Survival Jobs book. And I'm like, all these people need survival jobs. This is such a great idea. Sometimes you just fall in love with your idea and you just need to play around a little bit and see what hits. So what have you been through and conquered that you can share with others? J.Lo has multiple streams of income, and so should you. Creating an online course is just one of those ways. How does J.Lo make money? She's an actress. She has a singing career, which has album sales, concert ticket sales, merchandise, hosting, producing, stock market investments, I'm sure, and angel investing, which is investing in a company early. If one of those streams went away tomorrow, she would still be okay. And that's where we want to get. So is acting your only stream of income? Guys, right now, even Broadway is closed. Do you see why it's so important that it's not? Even your typical survival jobs are gone right now, guys. Temp, catering, promo, my 3 top survival jobs, completely gone right now. So I'm introducing the Acting Successfully, How to Create an Online Course. Learn how to create an ebook, an online course, and one-on-one trainings. Now here's the part where the courses usually give you the big sales pitch. They'll tell you how wonderful their product is, why it's so much better than the others. Then they'll stack it with a bunch of other bonuses to make it sound even more valuable. But I don't have valuable information I can share with others, you're saying. Now, here's the part where I crush your objection. You guys, you're a professional actor. You've moved to the city, you've gone to plenty auditions, and you've had at least one horror story, I'm sure, that you've lived to share the lessons that you've learned from it. I mean, just thinking back, I wish someone would have told me not to wear a suit to my CCM college audition. When I was ready to move to the city, I got so many books from Amazon, and I just read all about auditioning in musical theater. I could have gotten one of your books. So what do you want to tell that high school you or the college you that just graduated about moving to the city? And what other things are you interested in? It just doesn't have to be the business, but I'm just using this as an example. That's it. Stop doubting. Start learning. Guys, I'm offering a free class. So you have 2 choices. You can keep moping around and complaining about the current state of the industry, which we know isn't going to get any better, or learn how to create a stream of income. So to sign up, go to michelledyer.com/course. Register now. Classes start this weekend. So this is free, by the way. Here's your offer price. Just sign up. Okay. So full disclosure, I am an affiliate for this software called Kajabi. If you get a monthly subscription to Kajabi, I make a percentage of it. I am offering a free course. Guys, you don't have to sign up for this Kajabi software. You can take the course, learn how to make an online course, and then upload all your videos to YouTube, keep them non-public, and then just send people the links to your YouTube videos and charge them with Venmo. There are other ways that we can hack this that you don't have to sign up for Kajabi, even though I think it's fabulous. I can show you how to do it other ways. But I just want to get your brain thinking and learning how you can create multiple streams of income. So I will see you there, michelledyer.com/course. Go there, sign up, register now, and I will be in touch.